Hey, good morning. This is Julie at J Auto Trading Strategies, and it is Monday, April 27th, 2015, 7:12 a.m. I'm getting a little bit of a late start this morning. Going over to the economic calendar for this week in crude oil, set my time period to Central and scroll down. There's going to be a Fed week this week. Today, we don't have anything. Services PMI coming out at 8:45. Not much that is going to affect the crude market. Tuesday, there's going to be consumer confidence. Again, not much that's going to really affect the crude market. Wednesday is going to be the big crude day, and Thursday. Wednesday, we're going to have GDP, which can affect the crude market, and we're going to have the Fed coming out and make an interest rate decision on their target rate and their see how much that they're going to be changing on the interest rate, which will definitely apply to crude. So Friday, not much. Feds are going to be talking. So anytime the Feds are out there speaking a lot, it can disrupt the market. So always have to keep on our toes for that, especially when they start giving their opinions individually. Coming over to our technical summary for crude today, it's looking bullish across the board, and all the way across the board, everything is looking like it's on target for positive sentiment today. Where we are on my trend is we've just now recently started to go back into a pullback from this morning's first move. We first came down to tag the value area low from Friday, and then the market turned around and whipped back up. I was turning my computer on this morning when this first happened and I missed it. I always like to take that first touch and then back into value. So right now we're sitting right dead in the middle of the value area. So absolutely no trade zone for me. I see that my range is up here at 57.50 and down here at 56.75 approximately. There is some potential to come back and clean this area up for more stops, but there is this trend line. So I'm going to be seeing how price responds at this trend line level. We'll probably come back and test that. Maybe do a little breakout, fake out, breakout, fake out. But I'm thinking that the market, if it is going to be resuming its uptrend, will want to come back for one last stop run before it goes back up. But we'll have to wait and see. Right now, we've got D moving up. And if I get another push up here instead of a trend line test and push, I'm going to be looking very carefully at how my D is responding here. This could be a little bit of divergence setting up, just a tiny bit, not much at all. So that's why I'm thinking this is probably going to be another rollover here. We'll just have to wait. Right now we're in the middle of the middle. So we're in a current pullback, and I'll just have to watch it. So I really have a range right here, and I know that there's going to be interest rate decisions this week, which will impact crude. I'll have to watch the dollar and get a feel for the dollar. Let me pull up my 60-minute chart. Overall, here is my playing field, and just range inside of here. until we get a breakout of this area or a resumption of the trend. We're bunching up right here, so be watching this level at R1 and see if we can push above that for longs, get up to yesterday's high and another breakout. If we break down below yesterday's close for a stop run, likewise, I'm going to be looking to carefully go with the flow. We've got a lower D moving setting up here. So right now it's not looking very bullish on my stochastics. It's looking more like a rollover. We did have this extension here, however, that exceeded this level. Oops. So this broke out. Get my levels correct. There we go. So this was a higher momentum push. So, but we're just now getting that K cross. So I really do want to see a continued up push on my lower time frames to take this up higher, and this is the place to be looking for those. So we've got our gap fill here at 56.88 on yesterday's low. So that would be Sunday's low. So change this to a I'm going to be cautiously bullish today for Monday, April 27th, and looking long. Currently in a pullback, but I'll be looking long today. Thank you so much.